Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Dr. Taz on the Journey to Whole Health. The story of kombucha has a lot of mystery surrounding it, and many people have been drinking it but not still really sure what it is. I included it in my book, The 21-Day Belly Fix, for a number of different reasons, but primarily because we think it helps gut health. But what is kombucha? Where did it come from? Well, apparently it's been around for thousands of years. It originated in China, and legend has it that a Chinese emperor sent a glass of kombucha over to his sick Japanese friend, hoping that he would get better. Well, it spread throughout Japan, spread throughout Eastern Europe, and finally became a mainstay in the medical communities of Eastern Europe and Germany. So much of the research we have on kombucha is coming from Germany and from Russia, where they found benefits with lots of different things, everything from cleansing, detoxification, joint health, and of course, gut health. There's even some thought that kombucha can help with anti-aging because it produces hyaluronic acid, which remember, helps not only our joints, but helps our skin to glow. So having said all of that, how do we make this? What is this? Well, it's not that hard. What we do is we start with a 1-gallon mason jar and an already prepped black tea, a sweetened black tea because the sugar is important. And as you have your tea already ready to go, you also want to have an existing batch of kombucha right by your side because that batch contains the cultures that you're going to need to make your new batch of kombucha. So here I've got my prepped black tea, my sweetened black tea. Here I've got my kombucha that's already been made. And what we want to do next is really interesting. Now the secret to kombucha is that it contains a SCOBY, S-C-O-B-Y, which is a symbiotic bacteria and yeast culture. And what you see here is the SCOBY, and there are two parts to it. One is the mother and one is called the baby. I'm going to bring this over and just kind of tear the two apart. And when I do that, I have my new starter for my new batch of kombucha. And I'm going to drop that directly in there. You want to go ahead and add in some existing pre-made kombucha into your new mixture. I'm going to add just a little bit here. Hopefully we won't drop anything. There we go. And notice that the kombucha that's ready to go is in a swing glass jar, and that's one of the easiest ways to store it. So now we let our new batch sit and ferment. It can sit and ferment for up to a week. We want to cover it with a towel and wrap it with a rubber band so that it can be sort of airtight. And it can sit on your shelf and ferment for a week, and you've got a new batch of kombucha ready to go. You can give the next batch away, or you can store it in the swing glass jars in your refrigerator. Now remember, I still have this extra culture left. So there are different things you can do with this. You can add some more kombucha onto this and keep it, and then use it to start another batch, or you can give it away to a friend so they can start their own kombucha. So hopefully that takes away the mystery around kombucha. It's probiotic rich, helps the gut, helps balance the good bacteria in the belly, and this mystery superfood will hopefully make its way into your kitchen and help you to have your whole health in 2015.